Hello everyone. Hello. Have a blessed Monday. Another day, another vlog. As you can see, the road is so very clean. Alright, let's go walking. Monday walking today, guys. The weather is makulimlim, guys, cloudy. Last night heavy storm, mahangin, maulan. So naglaglagan mga dahon na dry. Kaya ang ating road is medyo madahon. As you can see, madahon. Dinaanan ng Julian. Alright. Super clean, guys. Super clean ang road natin ngayon. It's Monday. Autumn season. That's a look like. Autumn season. Good morning, bird. Dumaan si storm last night, the whole night. This is the look like, guys, for autumn season. This is the look like. Kunti pa lang yan, nag-umpisa pa lang yan. We're gonna go to pass by to the plaza shopping mall center. Shortcut parking lot. Shortcut. Makulimlim panahon, guys, cloudy. Bakery. Bags. Dito na tayo sa loob ng mall. Shortcut po. Cinema. There's cinema second floor. Some of the stores open now, guys. They open at 8 o'clock. Autumn costume. Autumn for now, guys. 50%. Ang cute ng bag. Oh. Ang cute ng bag. So look like a morning traffic. Makulimlim, guys, so cloudy. There's a storm last night or the overnight. That's why like this. Opo. Some hurricane maybe is passing by. Lonely weather this time. Lonely weather this time, guys. As you can see, the trees, leaves, it's changing now. First, I saw decoration naga for Halloween. First time I saw decoration for Halloween. Autumn season. Makulimlim na panahon. Ang ganda doon na banda ron. Lonely weather. Lonely. Squirrel guys. Umakyat na. Ayan sa puno. Bye-bye po. Thank you for watching guys. Ating vlog ngayon. It's another day, another vlog. Thank you so much. Makulimlim, cloudy na panahon this time. My vlog is so cloudy. Opo, walang sun. It's hiding. Bye-bye po. Thank you so much. Nalipat na po ang cemetery. Ayan o. Decoration Halloween. Bus, small bus guys, cute bus for I think for a special child. Yan ang bus ng ang special child guys, cute one. Ang ganda ng trees, so you can see. Thank you. Ang ganda ng trees. Thank you so much. Ganito ang look like guys pag season na autumn season. Very clean. Everywhere is very clean. Bye.